3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7? Everyone has done, right? The rest of ones haven't tried at all. Okay. Anyways. So, can anyone tell me the difference between type conversion and type casting? I saw many hands, trust me. My eyes are not, leaving me. Anyway. Yes? Type conversion and type casting. I don't believe that is a new concept. Is it a new concept to you? It is not, right? Yeah, so go ahead. What is type conversion, type casting? You guys are from BCS, not mechanical. Am I right? Is the fact correct?
Yes.
Then? No one? Are you fearing or what? You just have to sit at your place. You don't even have to stand. You can just give the answer. Huh? And casting? Go ahead. Sit. Out of type conversion and type casting, which one is automatic? Which one is being done by a compiler? Type casting is automatic and type conversion is? Huh? Auto. So I am asking, I am not declaring anything. I am just repeating what you are saying. Which one is automatic? Which one is being done by compiler? Conversion, right? And casting is supposed to be done by programmer. So why is it like type conversion is being carried out by program and not this part? Conversion is done, right? But casting is not. So what is the difference between casting and conversion? Now I understand that conversion is done by compiler, but why is it like we have to do casting on our own? What do you mean by casting? Let's say I understood. Type conversion is fine. I understood. What is type casting? Yes. Okay, in type conversion you go from what to what? Give me an example. You can go from what data type to what data type? Integer to float, which is from small you can go to large. And type casting? From it can. Typecasting is exact opposite to it. It's opposite, right? What's the challenge is from small you can go to big. From big you have to cut down the values, and that's why typecasting is supposed to be done by user. Understood? Reason being, from large to small when you go there is a data loss. So it is up to left of the user, so that if there is some kind of data loss, okay, which is not necessary, only user will know that do I need these values or do not need these values. Okay, so that is supposed to be left on user, and that's the same reason we have to do it manually. We have to write code for it. Understood? Is it clear now? Okay. And in type conversion you don't really lose values. In fact, you add precision to it. That's the same reason why compiler does it for you. Clear, everyone? Any confusion? Okay, what is type conversion? From small data type to large data type, and it's done by compiler, automatically by compiler. And typecasting is large to small and done by programmer. Understood? Okay. But do not worry. We do not have to confuse with these concepts now. We have only one thing, type conversion. Simpler vision. That's it. Understood? We do not have to worry what is typecasting here, what is type conversion here. Because we have only type conversion, that's it. The world is very, very small here. You want to convert anything into integer, write integer and in bracket pass the variable converts to integer. You want to convert list to tuple. So let's say pi list is my list and I need to convert it to tuple. Write tuple in bracket pass the variable of list, close the bracket, done. It is that simple. It is that simple. So yeah, don't believe me, just go and try it for yourself. So let us go and we'll just try this thing. I have grocery list with me. Okay, so grocery is what? List. Let us change it into tuple. Okay, tuple and then I'll pass what? Grocery. Can you see there is change of bracket into parenthesis? Yes. Okay. Will this change my grocery? No, it is still a list. It is still a list. So how do I change this? How do I change it to tuple? How do I change it to tuple? Yes. Huh? नहीं? How do I change it to tuple? याला tuple मध्ये कसं मी save करू? याला save change तर करून टाकलं. How do I save it? Huh? Okay. What should I do? कोणता operator? No need of operator. That's it. Done. G is equal to pass a function, pass the variable. Inside variable you will get the converted your variable. Got it? Simple. Okay. Let's go ahead. Just find this type G and tuple and grocery list. But whereas G and grocery both will have same values. Understood? Is it clear? Yes? Okay. So we'll go with the flow right now. Just don't waste time on this. We'll go with the flow. First is integer. Okay. So what does it suggest? You just have to first, let's say I'll use this pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, so my pi value is 3.14. Let us change it to integer. So integer and pass x here and x, just pass pi, enter. Got it? Only 3. So 0.14 is clear. Type conversion done. Which in your case would be typecasting. Yes, because we are shedding the values. From float we are going to integer. Yes? Isn't it? But in here you don't have to worry about it. Whether it is typecasting or type conversion, nothing. Type conversion, simple, done. Okay, now I'll save this value as x is equal to and then integer. So my x being represented or the way it is stored in object of Python. Okay, म्हणजे इंटरनली हे कसं स्टोर होतं किंवा कोणत्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये स्टोर होतं हे आपल्याला REPR या नावाच्या फंक्शननी आपल्याला कळतं. Okay, to simplify this, first we'll use a grocery list. Okay, grocery. Okay, the list is here. Now when we use REPR, here is representation. We'll pass grocery, close the bracket and end. If you see, it is now also being appended and prepared by single inverted, double inverted commas. Yes, but when you just go for grocery, it doesn't do that. Got it? Understood? Okay. We had one more, right? We had x as an integer. Let us see how it is represented internally. Use REPR enter. Okay, so internally it is yes appended with single inverted commas, but it is not shown to us. Reason being, when it is shown to us with single inverted commas, it means it is a string. Okay, whereas it is not string, it is stored as integer type, and that's the same reason why it is not showing us as representation format. It is showing us as the actual format. Okay, so this is all about REPR representation. Next we have is called as eval. Now, many a times it happens that some things are only in string. Few of the elements are compulsory in string. Okay, you do not have control over the input method. Okay, let's say you work in some MNC. Okay, you work in an MNC. They are trying to make this, a complex algorithm whose input is given to user's end. Okay, so you cannot predict what user will put there. You are unable to find out what user will be putting over there, what operations he might add over there. So at that time, we can evaluate using this function eval. Let's say, so my x has value what? 3. So he will write this x plus 1. Okay, so now this is passed as string. Sorry. Okay, now it is passed as string. And evaluation function, what it does is it will look for the possible assignment for that variable. Understood? So you pass it as a string format, but will still perform the operation as if it was taken as plain variable with any other number. Got it? Understood? Eval. Next is tuple. So okay, so for tuple and list we have already seen. We'll change a tuple into a list. So pyt was my tuple. Yes, it is a tuple. Let us change it into list. So simply write list and pass the variable, and we'll write pyl, that is Python list, is equal to list, and then I have passed the tuple. Enter, and let's find out the type. Understood? Very simple. Nothing much complicated. Type and then pyl. Okay, next is called as set. Now set is also data type, but as the name goes, set. Have you learned set in mathematics? Yes. Bad memories again. set theory. Yes. So what happens in set? X is such that X is a set of whole numbers divisible by only 3. Isn't it? You have some such sentences, right? Okay, so they have, I guess, forms, right? Rooster form, and probably I'm going over the head now. So let us skip that part. Anyways, so set gives us what? Unique values. Set gives us what? Unique values. So first, let us add some values which are redundant. So I will create this list 1 is equal to, and then in list I would like to pass 1, 1, 2, 5, 5, 8, 7. Okay, so I have passed the list. Let's save it. Okay, list 1 is saved. And let us convert that list 1 into set. So I'll write set 1 is equal to inside set and pass the list 1. Close it. Okay. Set 1. Okay, what do I get? What is happening inside set? Exactly. So all the values that were redundant are removed and only distinct values are being displayed. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many times I have kept 1 inside it. It will be shown only once to me. Same goes for 5, because but it will take it only 1 time. Shows the distinct values. Understood? The same concept of mathematics set. Shows the distinct values. Okay, got it? Now, we have frozen set and dictionary as well, but we'll study that later since we are yet to cover a bit more basics that we'll be covering in following sessions today. And okay, meanwhile we jump to characters. CHR. There's one more function called as CHR, and then inside I'll pass X. So here I have passed an integer, and it is being represented into a character format. You pass an integer and it will give you its character format, how it is stored. Okay, /x03. Okay, let us pass something else. Well, how it is internally represented. A, capital A. Okay, capital A is not there. What is it? Y. Y is not. Okay, it doesn't take floated. You have to pass compulsory in integer. Okay, converts an integer to a character format. Next up we have is Unicat, that is Unicode character. How many of you know what is Unicode character? Unicode character, have you heard of it? Unicode. It's a type of format, text format. How many of you know Unicode? Unicode. What if I tell you use it on regular day? Every day you use this Unicode. Yes? What is Unicode? Yes? No one? Special characters, yes. Can you give me some example of special character? Slash T, okay. Anything else? Okay, everything that now starts with slash, I don't want those answers. Except that, come on. How many of you use WhatsApp? How many of you haven't used WhatsApp or do not use WhatsApp? Any sample pieces here? No one. Okay, great. So everyone uses WhatsApp? Yes. Okay. So do you use those emojis, smiley? Yes. Everyone uses it? Yes. And then you say you do not know Unicode? Acha, the Unicode asता का? Yes, it is a part of Unicode. Okay. So in operating system itself, you get these Unicodes inbuilt. It is known as character map that helps us get those Unicode. It is available in all the operating systems. I'll show you in here as well. Yes, got it? Yes. So these are all nothing but Unicode. Can you see there is this code, right? U plus 1F7EB. Then again here, U plus 1F801 upwards arrow with small triangle there, right? So all these things are already defined. Isn't it? You all use this, right? You use these emojis, right? Okay, wrong area. Fine. Okay, understood? So these things are already present in your operating system. Unicodes are being used by you daily, and yet you deny. Anyways, so even here we have a unique char that will help us, get the convert the integer into a Unicode character. So unique char and pass an integer to CHR, right? What happens when we pass A? Okay, A is containing value, I guess. Why? Okay, it is in float. 97. Okay, 97, 64, and 55 onwards, I guess. Yes. Fine. So these are, I guess, if you remember the ASCII values. Do you remember ASCII values? Yes. So from 97 onwards, you start with the small alphabet, and from 65 onwards, you start with the capital. Yes. This is how it goes. Then we have ORD, which does the reverse work. Okay, ORD pass A. Okay, ORD is nothing but the reverse of what you have been doing in Unicare. ORD and then pass the character over there. Make sure you pass it as a string, only then it is taken. Yes, everyone got it? Okay. Now next is hex, oct, and binary. So let us store these values. I'll write this as number is equal to. This would be slightly higher value. We'll change this value to something easier, 4. Okay. So we have this number that is 4, and we'll change this into hex. Let us change it to hex. Now, okay, it is represented as 4. True? Yes. So till where exactly the hex numbers range? From 0 to? Exactly, till F. Right. So 10 will stand as A. Right? Showing you, right? 11 B, and 16 would be 1 0. Why would it be like that? Because it is 0 to 15. Then it gives you F. Got it? Clear? Okay. Now we'll again use the same number for converting into oct. Simple. Just change the value, pass some value to it, 4, 0, 4, 7, 7, 8. Then it goes from 1 0. 9, 1 1. It's right, it's going correct. Yes, understood? Simple. Okay, now let's convert into binary. Simple, just use bin for binary, and binary value for 6 is 0 1 1 0, right? Okay, so it gives you 0b, that is how it is stored as binary, 0b binary, and then you get the value 1 1 0. Understood? So this was all for data type conversion, and now I'll hand over to Aniket sir. He will be conducting the operators from here. Until then, you won't be seeing me. I'll be just coming here if you need some help. Fine? Okay. So handing over to Aniket sir.
चालू है
कंपॅरिझन आहे ते इक्वल टू इक्वल टू ऑपरेटर पहिला इक्वल टू इक्वल व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ टू ऑपरंड इफ आर इक्वल देन कंडिशन बिकम्स ट्रू हे सगळ्यांना माहीत असेल बेसिक आहे इक्वल टू जर इक्वल टू असेल तर तो फक्त ट्रू म्हणून सांगेल आणि सेकंड थिंग आहे नॉट इक्वल ठीक आहे नॉट इक्वल टू असेल तर तो ट्रू म्हणून सांगेल एक्झाम्पल पाहिजे ठीक आहे
काय
इक्वल टू 10 घेतला बी इक्वल टू 12 ठीक आपल्याला चेक करायचं वेदर इज इक्वल टू बी और नॉट ठीक आहे देन ए नॉट इक्वल टू बी देन ट्रू ट्रू आहे म्हणता नाही ट्रू दाखवलाय ठीक आहे ए इक्वल टू बी ठीक आहे नंतर काय लेस दॅन इक्वल टू ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू देन सेम जसं आपण या आधी पाहिला इक्वल टू ऑपरेटर काय करतो इक्वल असेल तर ट्रू इक्वल टू नसेल तर फेल दाखवतो सेम जसं आपण या आधी पाहिलं तसंच डायरेक्टली आपण एक्झाम्पल स्टार्ट करायचे एक सिंपल प्रोग्राम आहे ए इक्वल टू बी 10 घेणे 20 घेणे बी इक्वल टू एखादी व्हॅल्यू आहे ठीक आहे आपल्याला इथे कंडिशन यूज करायची इफ यूज करून इफ ए इक्वल टू बी देन प्रिंट ए इज इक्वल टू बी देन टेल्स यूज करायचं आहे आणि नॉट इक्वल टू देन प्रिंट दे आर नॉट इक्वल फाईन सिंपल आहे तुम्ही टाईप करा तुमच्या जी चालेल एक व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची आहे ए घ्यायची आहे टी इक्वल टू समथिंग ते कोणती काही पण बी इक्वल टू सेकंड व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची आहे आणि मला लूप यूज करायची आहे सॉरी यूज कंडिशन यूज करायची आहे इफ कंडिशन यूज करायची आहे इफ इक्वल टू ए इक्वल टू बी अशी सिंपल आहे दाखवली सिंपल है ए इक्वल टू 21 है ए इक्वल टू 20 कंडीशन है ए इक्वल टू बी एंड प्रिंट ए इज इक्वल टू बी एल्स प्रिंट दे आर नॉट इक्वल हा प्रोग्राम तुम्ही टाईप करा जी एडिटवर गेला तरी चालेल देन आउटपुट काय ते पहा आपल्याला सगळे ऑपरेटर्स इथे यूज करायचे नॉट इक्वल टू लेस दॅन इक्वल टू ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू फाईन जी कंडिशन देणार आहे आपण ही इक्वल टू बी कोलन जर इंटर दिल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला टॅब द्यायचा आहे, इंडेंटेशन असतं. आपण हे पुढे आपण ज्यावेळेस स्टेटमेंट बघणार आहे स्टेटमेंट ज्यावेळेस बघणार आहे त्यावेळेस मी हे सगळं क्लिअर करेल. तर फक्त आहे तसं टाईप करा. की डॉट दिल्याच्यानंतर टॅब द्यायची. कंडिशन आपली दिल्याच्यानंतर एंटर केल्यानंतर किंग डॉट येतील, नंतर फक्त टॅब द्यायचं, इंडेंटेशन येते तर टॅब द्या.